Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be covering the MyCobot 280 for Arduino of Elephant Robotics. This is a very small robot arm. It has a payload of 250 grams. It has a arm span of 350 millimeters. 204 is the distance between the shoulder and the wrist. The precision is plus minus 0.5. MyCobot 280 for Arduino has 6 degrees of freedom and 6 angle of joint. This is the first joint, the second joint, the third joint, the fourth joint, fifth joint, and the sixth joint. You can buy accessories like gripper so that the robot arm can interact with objects by picking them up. To run the robot arm, we use a 12-volt DC power supply, and I'm going to be using the Arduino Uno. So this is X pin, TX pin, and the last one ground pin. Now we need to connect the RX pin to RX input, TX pin to TX input, and the ground to ground. Okay, like that. Now we power up again, and then it's set up. Now we go to Google to download the recommended Arduino IDE version for this robot arm. This is 1.816 version. Okay, so we install it. Okay, so install. We wait a few minutes, just a few minutes. Then we open it. Now you open it, and then go to install the M5 stack board. So go to boards manager to install this board. So you type M5 stack board. Okay, this one installed. Just few minutes because it will be a little bit slow. Okay, so as you can see, we just installed the M5 stack board. It's done. Now we go back to Google. This time we search for MyCobot basic library, okay, where we can find the example that we're going to be using and customizing. So this is the library. So you click on extract all. Next, few seconds. It's done. Then you can rename it. Okay, you cap that. You go to local, you search program files, library. So you click on library and you paste it here. Then you go to the MyCobot library. You click on lib and you copy this folder and you paste it into the library folder. We are using Arduino Uno, so we need to go to the examples. So Uno, you copy this one, okay, this file, and we're going to replace this one with this one. Okay, so continue, done. Now it's done. So we go to the we got this one and then we paste it, okay, into the libraries in the document. So we paste it here. Great. And then we do the same thing in the document. So we need to, as we are using Arduino Uno, so we go to the examples, okay, and we Uno, so we cap this one, okay, and we replace this file, okay, parameter with the new one. So great, I think everything is fine here. So we're gonna be running our first program. So we go to the examples and we search for angles control examples. So no, this one. Great. Then we make it bigger, and then we go to tools. Okay, this is the object or angles to 0 0. Okay, so that's the whole program. So we go to tools, we go to board Arduino Uno because we are using Arduino Uno, and then we go to, okay, we go back to tools and pick the port. Okay, great. So we hit upload. Okay, now we put back the RX and the TX cables because we removed while uploading the sketch. So as you can see, it's working. So in this project, the robot picked up something here and can drop this thing on the right side. And I can also measure the precision of the robot with my mouse. As you can see, first round, okay, and the second round, and it's still, you know, touching the same place. Okay, so it will go the third round, and great. Okay, so that's another project where you get the an object from here, okay, from this side, and then you drop like on this side, okay, of the table. So you pick it up here, and then you drop the object here. Okay, and again you can see the precision. So I can also control the joints using push button, and I can even control the angles, okay, precisely with a push of a button. As you can see, I'm controlling precisely the angles, okay, of the joint. I think 4 of 5, I think 5. So as you can see, using push button. And you can replace the push button with a joystick or a sensor. So here I'm controlling the joint 4 while joint 5th keeps moving. So I'm controlling the joint 4 with a push button. So you can do the same. Again, you can run, okay, this robot arm using Arduino Mega, okay. So yeah, so I drop here, take it from here and drop the thing here. So I'm controlling the robot arm here using the push button. This robot arm has a atom module with some channels which you can control, and a pedestal for stabilization. You can program the MyCobot 280 by using Arduino IDE, Python, software, MyBlockly.